Audio. What's happening? Crypto fam. Happy Wednesday. Good morning and welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. It's a pleasure to have you here and appreciate you taking the time out to consume the content. So thank you. Comments rapid. Is the volume okay? Crypto Cat, good morning. Good morning, Devon. Good morning, Kung Fu Tuber. I'm looking for a volume okay comment as soon as humanly possible. Monty Burns, morning Scott. Been a while since caught one of your live sessions. Hope you're well. Must say this beta is something else. It's awesome. Exactly, Monty. He's really good, and I was getting a couple of messages last night saying that they wasn't quite sure how to set it up, how to get started. I only briefly ran through the actual setup yesterday, so we're going to have a setup and a demo again. Beginning at the Discord, so you can see I'm on FlareX here. So Flare Finance's main page is going to give you all the information about what they're doing. We're using FlareX and Flare Farm, Flare Wrap. So we're basically using the top three or parts of the top three, ignoring NFTs. So basically, if you go to the normal Flare site, it's going to give you all the rundown of what Flare Finance is going to become on top of Flare. The links to every screen I've got here, so configuring the MetaMask is in the description. The Ropsten eFiat Faucet is in the description. Don't smash this too much, you will get grey listed from them. You can only get it so many times per day. The Flare Faucet. You're going to do the Ropsten Faucet in your Ropsten testnet. Clearly it's Ropsten for Ropsten. You're going to do the Flare Faucet in the Coston testnet. Right? So you'll end up with a Ropsten testnet wallet with 1 Ethereum in, and a Coston testnet wallet with 1 Flare in. Volume's okay by the analyst. Superb. Just one audio today, Kung Fu Tuber. Just thought we'd keep it simple, lad. You know what I'm saying? Where's me Discord? So Flare's Discord, linked in the description. Go and join it. You're going to come to set up guides, right? Play me on slow, look at the guide at the same time, do whatever you want, but we're going to basically run through this, and by the end of this video, if you follow everything, you will be ready to start testing the beta and demo. Disclaimer about the competition. I'm not 100% on the competition, but I believe whoever's got the most valuable account at the end of the beta gets an extremely valuable NFT. Now the Flare, the farming and staking is going to gain your account money, but the big gains are going to come when you can start trading on it and you're pipping the coins against each other, and whoever picks the right trades is going to end up with the most value, and they're no doubt going to win the NFT. If you want to play the game, play the game. Don't spit dummy out if you don't win. Don't waste all your days trying to do it and then gutted that you didn't get an NFT. We're basically just using this to see what it's like, get a feel for it. So when the main net drops, we're not like, oh, how do we use Flare? How do we do Flare swaps? How do I add liquidity on Flare? How do I join a pool and stake? It's like you learn that now. So when the main net comes, you're already ready to run forward with it. So Discord, welcome to the setup guides. There's a lot of pages on Discord, and I understand people who don't like Discord. I don't particularly. It's not that I don't like it, not that I hate it. It's congested, man. Look at that. Like, that's just Flare's chat. That's just Flare. And then I'm on that. I've got all these other ones here. So yeah, it gets congested. But basically, the beta program setup guides, right? We can go to the Medium page, which is this. So basically, if you click that Medium post, it's going to bring you to this bad boy. We're going to follow this, and this is where you're going to add the Coston testnet to your MetaMask. Right? So in order to interact with the smart contracts of Flare, you download MetaMask. So I'd assume a lot of you have already got it. If you haven't, go and download it. Chrome extension. And actually, get it on Brave as well. That is another disclaimer, massive disclaimer. Google Chrome, no likey flare. Google Chrome, no likey flare. Brave browser, likey flare. Get on Brave browser, because Google Chrome just doesn't like it. So get your MetaMask on Brave browser. Sign up to your MetaMask. You can try it on Firefox as well. I've not tried it on Firefox. I've not tried it on Edge. All I know is I was having problems on Chrome, and it worked on Brave. So after installing MetaMask, you're going to create a new wallet. Don't forget to record your private keys, as MetaMask is a non-custodial wallet. If you lose your keys, your wallet can't recover. I think most of you know that. Now we have MetaMask installed. We must connect MetaMask to Flare's custom test network. So you're going to click the MetaMask icon on the top right corner. That's basically what you see there. You're going to click that. You're going to open this, and you're going to add that custom test network by going to custom RPC. Alright, we're going to come down. In order to connect custom, you need to create a custom RPC. We're just showing you. Click the Ethereum mainnet drop down menu, select custom RPC. Network name, custom test network. The new RPG URL has to be copied properly, and bear in mind there's a capital C near the end. Capital C near the end. https://costone.flare.network/ext/bc capital C/RPC. Chain ID will be number 1 and the symbol being FLR. Click save. It will then appear in your MetaMask wallets under accounts and networks. So now that you're connected to Coston, you can easily switch between Ethereum and Coston by clicking back to the network selection bar. So after selecting the network, you're going to create a new account. That's address or account. If you've got an account 1 or 2 or whatever you've got in there now, them accounts will work, but you can set up a new custom one if you so choose, just to have it separate from your existing accounts. What you're going to have to do now is add the tokens. So click add token button, and then click the token tab button. Now, as far as I'm aware of some of these are old token addresses. So at this point, we're going to go back to the Discord. I'm going to go back to this, scroll down a little bit, and then we have actually got, so add your tokens to the custom test network, and here are the addresses. So for anyone who's not done a token to MetaMask before, I will actually go run through it now. Because I'm gonna have to sign in here. I don't think I'm actually signed in, and I don't want. I skimmed over a little bit yesterday, and it led to messages saying, "Oh well, I would have do that. I would have do that." Check out the Fox follows you. I love that. I love that. I nearly read my password out then. Ah. I don't like it. Fat thumbs, man. That's why I nearly read it out to myself, so I know I'm doing it right, mate. Right. We come on the custom testnet. You can see my tokens there. They're all there. Blah, 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 whatever they are. We're going to go. Reach at bottom. Add token. Add custom token. We're then going to get the address from this. Let me just whack that out the side there. Yeah, no, I didn't actually want you to go down. Mother. Add token. Custom token. We'll come over here. Damn, that's hanging. Right, so there's the LTC one, basically. So if I whack that in there. Oh, copy it first, Scott. If I whack that in there. Token's already been added, because I've already added it, but you're going to get all them addresses now. So if I just move that back out of the way a sec, you're going to get all them addresses there, and you're going to add them into your custom network, right? I know, guys, I know it can be a bit Brave, Joe C, Mario, Ben, Naked Screaming Man. Nice. Yeah, give it a rewind, Naked Screaming Man. I mean, it'll always be I'm going to leave it up, so you'll always be able to watch it in the end. So where we're up to, you're going to go through that now, pause me, whatever you've got to do. Get them all added on the Coston net, and you've got from BYFLR, BYFIN, BYUSD, BFXRP, BFLTC, and BF Doge. Now at this point you will have a balance of 0 for every token including FLR. What we're going to do now is add BUSDT to your Ropsten test network, just like you added the tokens in the step above. So basically you understand that you're actually going to have to change your network now. So you go back into your MetaMask, you've added all your Coston tokens, you're going to go back into your networks, go to Ropsten testnet, and you're going to add that bad boy, the BUSDT, and its address is there, over there, yeah? Note, do not spam the faucets. They will greylist you, baby. They ain't playing games. They're gonna greylist you. There's 3 of them there. I'm showing Ethereum 1. If you want to use Ethereum 2, I believe it gives you more Ethereum, but it doesn't matter. You're only going to get 1 airdrop off Flare, so it's pointless having 10 test Ethereum when they're only going to take 0.1 off you. You'll just end up with 9.99 Ethereum left in the wallet, and unless you're the developer who's testing Ethereum networks, you literally don't need it, bro. So, what we're going to do now, you're on the Ropsten network, right? And you've got 0 in it, and you're like, what the hell do we do now? We're on the Ropsten, we've got 0, and this has ended. That's ended. So the medium thing's no good for us now. Next thing to do is the faucets. So we go to the Ropsten Ethereum faucet. You come to your MetaMask. You copy the address to clipboard. You enter the address. Oh, no, Control V, not just V. You enter the address and you send me test ether. They will send you 1 test ether. You will then go back. And you'll have an ether. You will have an ether there. Yeah? You'll then come to this bad boy and you will swap your wallet. Swap your wallet. The Flare is coming to Coston, not Ropsten. Swap your wallet to Coston network and then put the address of the Coston in that bad boy. Submit. You will get 1 Flare sent to that account. What we need now is the Flare airdrop. I want it. I wanna be yours. Run away with me now. Run away with me now. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Feel it feels in my... So we've done the Ropsten, we've done the Flare on the Coston. We're now going to Control V that bad boy in there. Do you feel it? Do you feel it? I didn't link this in the description, so for that I'm extremely sorry. I'm gonna link it in there now, and obviously faucet.flr.finance. If you're following the Discord and you're following the tutorials, you should find that address. We need to do this twice because again we've got Ether waiting to do a drop and we've got Flare waiting to do a drop. So we're going to go, and I've already done them. This is a one-time claiming, so I actually can't claim in front of you. I'm gonna just show you show you what actually happens. So we'll come on the Ropsten one at first and connect wallet. It will then connect to that wallet. You can click next, click connect. Now I've done these, so there's pointless doing them, but I'm on the Ropsten with my Flare showing. I'm going to click claim on Ropsten. It'll come up, confirm transaction. It might say approve first, and then you have to do it again and confirm it. But get that transaction confirmed, and then when you go back to your wallet, you will see the Ethereum is gone to 0.99 and the BUSDT is at 500. You have 500 BUSDT in there then. That's your Ropsten airdrop done, right? You then go to the Coston test network, claim on Coston, same thing, confirm it, activate it, bish bash bosh, get it in there, and your one flare will go from 1 to 0.99 like you see mine, and then you'll have like, I think it's 1,000 FLR, 1,000 XRP, 1 Litecoin, 1,000 Doge, and so on. Once you've got that, we need to come back to here, connect to the wallet, go to Ropsten Test Network, BUSDT, and then we're going to click wrap. Because the Flare Beta works on the Coston, we're moving that 500 BUSD to Coston as XUSD. So we're going to click wrap with the wallet connected. It's going to come up as 0 for me, obviously, because I'm on, I ain't got it left, I've got one left, but we're going to, it will say 500 for you there, right? We're going to click the full amount and go to XUSD and just put deposit. If this starts giving you shit, try Control F5 to refresh the cache. It's a little bit of help I was getting off Dave. Try Control F5, and other than that, it's about approving it and then swapping, and then confirming. So if you've used Uniswap with the approve and then confirm, and you have to kind of do it twice, similar on this. It's similar on this. So by the time you've got your BUSDT into XUSD, there'll be nothing left in your there'll be nothing left in the Ropsten, like there's nothing in mine now. And then when you come to, I don't know why Hex is showing there. I've just ruined all my tokens or something. Like my tokens have disappeared. You saw them all before, didn't you? That's strange. So basically, we'll come to the swap page now. So you should be set up with your XUSD. I've got 4 XUSD at the moment, right? But it ain't about that. It's about the wifing we're getting from staking. So we're on staking now. We're going to swap liquidity, farm. We'll go to the farm because I've got no dollars really. So I'm in the farm. I'm going to make sure that's on Coston. Make sure it's on Coston. Connect wallet. So I've got some in the Doge pool. Going to claim them. And I know a few of you saw me do this yesterday. So this is what this is actually claiming the stake after you've staked them. So basically I'll show you. We're going to restake these rewards now. Dismiss, we'll go to the FLR pool, we'll have some in there. I actually added to the Litecoin pool yesterday as well, so I should have a little bit of Litecoin. I mean, you can see the fees coming through as 0, and that's all most of us cared about, is the fees are coming through as 0, and we need it to stay like that. In the mainnet, look, amount of gas fee, 0, bled. 0. And that's what we want. Don't want these Ethereum fees. Ethereum can go and, yeah, Ethereum can shove it, mate. Claim. Confirm. Dismiss. 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 So that's give me XFIN or YFIN. Is it YFIN, XFIN? But we're gonna go swap. And again, there's a couple of bugs occasionally. It doesn't keep your wallet connected. You've got to reconnect it across the board occasionally. But it's not too bad. We go to XFin now, which is all the rewards we've just took. We've got 0.0532. Bear in mind, this is an asset that's worth $955 on the platform. It was $1,600 the other day. So if you'd have got on foot, like, yeah, people's already earned a lot of money. So if you want to win in the competition to get the NFT, you're going to have to be good at trading. You're going to have to get on it. But for the time being, we're just learning and demoing on how to do the swaps and the stakes. So if you've used Uniswap, this is the start of the swaps. Now, you're going to have approve. It'll say approve for use. Approve the swaps like Uniswap does. But once you've approved it, next time you do it, you're actually swapping it. And you should only have to approve it once. Right, so we're going to enter the full amount in there, 0.1532. And it was $146. So we're going to click swap. And then we'll have $150 because we already had 4, didn't we? So we're going to confirm that. But then I'm going to put the dollars at the top now because I don't want USD, because USD stays USD. Now these coins are coming down in value and the percentage of rewards is coming down. But rewards are rewards. So we're going to keep staking, if not just to learn how to do it. We've got 150 USD. I want to pool that into Litecoin. Obviously, I don't want to sell the 150 USD into Litecoin because then all the USD is gone and I've not got the other side of my liquidity pool. I've just got one pair. You need both of the pairs. So, we're going to sell $75 of the USD into Litecoin. Gotta do it again. I hate that. Bugger. Right, into Litecoin. Dismiss that. So we're going to swap it because we've already approved the swaps. The wallet knows that them swaps are approved. We're going to confirm it. So now we've got $75 USDX and $75 worth of thing. We come to liquidity. It's easy to forget you've got to add liquidity into a pool before you go and farm and stake it. Basically, it's not just in the wallet. You're not just holding it in your wallet. You've got to provide the liquidity and then you add it to the pools in the farm, should we say. So what we're going to do, we're going to come down. Litecoin, we just bought $75 of it. We're going to go USD. We're going to go 0. And we'll put the full max in, 0.6435. Comes up 74. Balance 75.6. Actually, yeah, I could have put a little more on it, but this is why you always end up with a couple of fucking $1 or $2 left over, because without doing a calculation, it's hard to actually like, look, 89 cents was less. I could have put an extra 40 cents in Doge, but it doesn't really matter. So we've added it up. We've done a swap. We've added that swap into liquidity. We're now going to go to the farm where you just saw me get my rewards. Look, connect wallet. So it is a bit glitchy when you're bouncing from page to page. Sometimes it keeps your wallet connected. Sometimes you've got to reconnect it. But at the end of the day, you can see these that's already at 0.0002. So the rewards are already coming in. And I've just added extra liquidity to the Litecoin pool. So I'm going to click stake. The max amount, and there's my little bit in that thing that I staked. We're gonna stake. It will then increase my staked holdings in that Litecoin USD pool. In turn, increasing my rewards from that pool. Now, that honestly, guys, is pretty much it. Once you're at that point, you're legitimately. You've just got to keep doing it to get used to it, to get more used to it and more used to it, and wait for updates regarding the trading platform and other stuff to come from them. These percentages will come down massively for the mainnet. I mean, people's earning 200. You saw it then, $145. That was as I slept. $145 as I slept. That's $200 to $300 a day coming off that platform. That is a wage for people. If we can get enough value staked across multiple platforms. And I don't care whether it's Flare and Spark and XRP on here, or whether you're staking ADA on Cardano, or Polkadot against DOT, or you've got something frozen in PowerPiggy and Bitrue. If we can not only diversify our portfolios, but diversify where we store it, i.e. stagnant value in a wallet might gain value, but it ain't working for you, bro. It ain't working for you. Staking makes your value work for you, and it gives you rewards. And I'm super excited to actually see this on Cardano towards the end of summer. I can't wait for that. I couldn't wait for this, and it's out now, and we're playing with it, and I love it. I'm seeing 0 fees, and it's all I really wanted to see. So when we get the transition to the mainnet, if I'm still seeing 0 fees, I'm sorry, but it's bye-bye Flare, it's bye-bye Ethereum, it's bye-bye Rarible, bye-bye all the others that want to cheer me. See you Uniswap, Sushi Swap, Penguin Swap, Get Foot Swap. All can shove it, mate. Multiple account in one MetaMask is allowed. Of course. Yeah, mate. It's 100% allowed. I'm just unsure. Mine flapped a little bit, to be honest, mate. Do you know what? I wanna feel, run away with me now. I'm just checking something on Chrome. Yeah, so I actually have them. I've got them showing on Chrome. Do you feel it? Do you feel it? Do you feel it through in my heart? I actually created a custom wallet and then didn't use it. I used account 1. I've got account 2. Don't use it. You can have multiple accounts. You just click your account icon, create account, import account. If you've had a MetaMask account on another device, you've got the seed phrase and that, import your account. Connect a hardware wallet. So if you've got a Ledger and your XRP and your Spark and your Flare, the link to the Ledger, link the Ledger to MetaMask, bruh. And then when your Flare comes, it's a simple little bounce over. It's MetaMask is awesome. I've got to admit, I love it, me. I wish I'd have had it years ago before I saw my Ether wallet. I'd have used it instead of my Ether wallet. But yeah, I've clearly got to add your tokens separately to the browsers. So I added most of mine in a Google Chrome browser, so I must have to re-add them into Brave, which is interesting. Has anyone got any questions that are still on? Because that is legitimately it. If you go through that and follow everything I did there, you're not only set up, but we've shown you how to swap, how to wrap. You've got to wrap that BUSD into XUSD. You've got to stake. You've got to provide liquidity in a pool, and then you can stake within that pool. Early days, guys, really early days, but it's epic. And again, I can't really wait for this to be ready on Cardano either. We are going to be doing an update on Cardano very soon. We have actually as well. Let me actually just show you this bad boy. We've got a website in development now. Run away with me now. This bad boy. Website in development, baby. Love for crypto. Be your own bank. We legitimately need and want to start helping people become their own bank, take control of their own value, yeah, and have a smooth smooth and happy transition into a digital world. So contribute to Coil, go and have a ganders at the website. It is a work in progress, so some links won't work. There'll be pages that you see now that you won't see in the future. We've done a little bit on the front to be in your own bank. We're going to add like the recommended on and off ramps that we would recommend to people, and they can go and choose their own. Hot and cold storage, staking assets, and business consultancy within monetizing your business in a digital world. So that's a work in progress, and a lot of people have been asking me for some sort of monthly newsletter, for some sort of service where we can help them and with this, that and that, and we have actually been planning it in the background anyway, and you're going to start seeing it come to fruition very soon. So that is extremely exciting. I'm looking forward to it. Me, Chris, CryptoPunk, and a few others involved in it. Right, let's see if there's any questions. I wanna away with me now. Do you feel it? Do you feel it? MasterCard's giving Ripple securities away for free. Naughty. Wonder what the SEC have got to say about that, mate. Moanings. Bro, how long do you think 5 will remain decent? It's 5? What's 5? Am I missing something there? How about permanent losses? What perm losses, yo? Is it me, or does YouTube comments come through half? Like only half the comment there, or what? How long do you think the percentage is? Tiger XRP, love you, mate. Love you. You're putting that little typo correction there, mate. I absolutely love you. How long do I think the percentages will remain decent? I've got to be honest with you, mate, and I've got to be really, really honest with people. See that 26 there on Doge USD? That was 58 the other day. Literally 2 days ago, that was 58. Ignore the rest. It's like 58 million. It's like it's billion. It's 100 millions. In fact, let's fucking do it. It's 2,617,000,000 184. No, it's not. Yeah, it is. Shit. 2,617,000,000 184,326%. It's in the trillions of percents. But it was 5,800,000,000 the other day. Like, the Litecoin one was there as well in the 58s. I mean, they was at 54-55% range, while XRP was at 52, and YFLR was at 68, and now they're at 26, 25 and 23, and FLR is at 20. This is where we've all been pitting it against tokens in the staking pools for which one's giving the most percentage to bump your value the most. Because in the end, I've got a feeling when the trading platform drops on it, everyone's going to pull the value out of them staking, like remove the stake, remove liquidity, and go trading like a mofo with all that value. Because, like I say, the NFT is sounding like it's going to be extremely valuable, and anyone who wants to win it needs to be diligent and concentrate on what they're actually doing on that platform. About permanent losses when staking or provide liquidity on the platform. You won't, right? We can't predict and promise your value. No one can. So when you say about permanent losses when staking, are you on about what you've staked losing value? It might happen, and then 2 or 3 years later it's gone up 10 times again. Lost, permanent losses as in losing the tokens, would never happen in an official wallet staked on a platform. Now you can get phished. You know, we want to talk about the Daedalus wallet on Google Play. Stay the fuck away from that. Stay away from that. That will phish you. So you'll go on the Daedalus wallet off Google Play, and it'll be like, yeah, import your wallet, bro. Restore it. Just put your phrase in and your spending password. For fuck's sake. Knocks me sick thinking about how I fell for it. No create wallet, no nothing. So if you're going on a node, if you're getting a node, a direct to wallet node, you're signing in through a node, Daedalus wallet or anything. Any node, gateway or validator block on a flaming network is going to ask you if you want to create a wallet on that network. It will ask you if you want to restore, want to import, you want to do this, you want to do that, you want to connect your ledger, anything you want, lad. But it will always have the create wallet on the network. If it hasn't got create wallet, ask questions straight away. If you go on a platform and they're just like, gives you restore phrase, bruh, get the fuck off it. Get off it. Can't believe I didn't, mate. I can't believe I fell for it. It was naughty. Shit happens, but we need to try and make sure it doesn't happen to other people. We're gonna get Daedalus up here now because it's all I'm really staking on. So all I can really do, I can't speculate on any crypto at the moment that I'm actually not staking. So I've got XRP has been frozen on Bitrue for 2 years, and I get rewards off that daily. Might only be half an XRP one day, might be 2 XRP the next day, but I get rewards off it. That's basically staked value in Bitrue's control. I don't see any permanent losses coming from that. The value will dip and dish and it'll do this and that, but I mean, if I actually went into the wallet and worked out what I've actually had out of it in rewards, eventually I'm going to have had out of it what's in it. So I've got my money back, and then it's all just 100% profit in it, baby. And that's without the fluctuations. Yeah, the Ethereum 2.0, Ethereum held up and that. You don't want a staking platform that forces you to lock it for a certain amount of time. We're about to see when this connects to the network in a minute, and hopefully it will. I don't think the live stream's going to affect it or anything. I'm staked on ADA, but I can actually move the ADA whenever I want. It's not locked on the network. It's just contributing towards facilitating the network and helping it remain secure. Staking on a proper network, no consent, actually secures the network more than people expect. Or more than people think. Do you know what I mean? So we've got a node here now and it's loading up in it. And the first thing you see at the bottom is add wallet. This was a phishing node. It'd just say restore, wouldn't it? And it'd be like, oh, give all this shit. Right? Clearly got to wait for it to sync. Or I can't really show you anything. But, yeah, there's kind of two ways it can go when people talk about losing the value or permanent losses. A permanent loss to me means you've lost your tokens, because it doesn't matter where the value goes, you ain't fucking got them anymore. It's a permanent loss, mate. But if I buy a grand's worth of Bitcoin now and Bitcoin drops to 15k tomorrow, it's a loss. It's not a permanent loss. If ADA drops to 70 cents tomorrow, I'm still staked. I've lost value on the ADA I've got in this wallet. I'll likely lose the amount of rewards I'm going to get. But it's still there. It's not a permanent loss, is it? It's, and I mean, it's interesting. It comes to perspective and how people start to look at stuff, really. Naked Screaming Man. Love that. I like that name. Can I unlock my XRP on Bitrue? So yes, I mean, I've never tried because I want them in Power Picker. But people, I know other people who have moved them, and they say, I said to someone, I think it was Chris, because I was actually thinking about doing it, and I was like, I'll do it. How do we unlock my XRP on BitTrue? Do we just legitimately go on a power pig, click unlock, and then like it's 24 hours or some shit? And Chris is like, nah, it's instant, bro. Just go on, unlock them, unfreeze them, and you can move them almost straight away. So I was like, oh, legit. So I just left them there. It's 4,000 XRP I've got on BitTrue. Legitimately just there to get the rewards, and it was from DLTCon 2019. That's when I've had them there since. Like legitimately, I've had them there since DLTCon in 2019. Loads of people who was at the conference actually got onto PowerPig. We all signed up for it, and we just got pushed through the queue, obviously because they were sponsoring the event. So it was pretty good. We've got like close relations with BitTrue, and they should be at the next event. So keep tuned on that. So basically, we're synced here now. You can see me adore, but fuck it. So if that comes down in value, the value there drops in GBP. If it goes up in value, the value goes up in GBP. Unless someone steals these, there is no permanent loss in my opinion. We go to stake pools. Oh, it's fucking saturated again, the bastard. It dropped below 100 that the other day. But I'm staked now. So I'm actually waiting for my... After today, my rewards will start going up in ADA. This is the first day I've been staked. Literally like the first day I've been staked. So once the epoch ends and the rewards come in, each epoch now, I'll see my ADA rewards. And hopefully by the time we're 45, 50, maybe even 55, this motherfucker's paying a decent wage. While we just put our feet up. And I want people to think about this now. Selling. When you're selling, when are you cashing out? Talking like dickheads, bruh. It ain't 2017 anymore. I don't want that to offend anyone. But staking, I'm talking about stagnant value in wallets doing nothing as you watch it go up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm talking about sitting on 10 to 20k XRP for 10 years. When there's a new alternative emerging in DeFi where you can put that value on a platform. You put enough ADA in ADA, put enough Flare and Spark on Flare, put enough DOT on DOT, put enough this on that, put enough that on that, and put enough him in here, you're set for life, mate. You're just set for life. This is what I'm saying. What's this going to be paying me in 2025? No one knows. Have fun speculating, mate. But no one actually knows. The bigger question is, are you going to be involved? Or are you going to miss out? I got in this in December, mate. And when I look at the dates and the prices, from December the 11th, when I bought my first little bit, to December the 23rd, we got a bit of movement, a tiny little bit of movement. They were the 2 points I went in. And then January, I don't know why I went in and when I went in. I don't know why I bought what I bought. I don't know why I didn't buy more. Well, it was nearly Christmas, that's why I didn't buy more. But, yeah, people need to really seriously consider when we get to 2030, instead of having a pension worth 100 grand, you should have a staked portfolio worth 100 grand plus. Paying 10, 20, 30 grand a year in staked rewards. There's going to be no need for you to actually, if you do it right, and we all do it right, and we all be patient and take our time, and spend the next few years just laughing at everyone who's selling their crypto back into fiat money that's about to die. Yeah, good luck with that, bro. All you're doing is pushing the price up for me later on. Let all them do that. And continue to keep staking, keep staking. Oh, I sold some crypto the other day. Oh, did you? I staked some of mine. Muppet. Massive difference. Don't seem that different now. And if he goes and drives off in his Ferrari, he's going to look like the one who's won in it. I'm still here in my mum's flaming garage, mate. And I probably will be until 2025. But I'm willing to pay that price. For 2025 and beyond to be absolutely out this world. The kind of life I never dreamed I thought I could have. Just going to put a bit of value there and let it pay me. I'm going to put a bit more value over there and then it'll pay me. And I'll put a bit more value there and it'll pay me. And a bit more over there and that'll pay me. And then just watch it all come in down the line. Don't be greedy. Be grateful. Be patient. And legitimately, we've just got to enjoy the ride. So, without waffling too much, I feel like everyone should be able to get a decent little gist of the Flare network and its beta there now. We went right through it. If anyone has actually got any questions, or you need me to explain a little bit of it a little bit more, but I feel like that was all right. That I honestly do. I feel like it was a good bit of info in there. I don't know if anyone else has got a video like that out there to legitimately just show people from There's tutorials there that don't show you the wrap. They don't show you to wrap the BUSD to the XUSD. They don't show you adding the custom wallet with a custom address and all that stuff. They don't. There's a few things missing from bits of it. You might go on the Discord like I did and think the YouTube tutorial is one version of it, the Medium post is another version of it, the Twitter post is another version, but it's better to watch them all and read them all. You saw yourself, the Medium post ends, and all of a sudden you're like, well, how the fucking hell do I carry on? And the Medium tutorial just ends. You go back to the Discord and carry it on. You go to the YouTube video and watch them do it like I did. It's super exciting. I legitimately can't wait. I can't wait for it to evolve a little bit. We might as well claim error. Signed out. Fuck's sake. Getting gas. I'm on Ethereum mainnet. See what I mean? Do you know what, mate? Do you know what? Get that. He's gone in. Gone in a minute. Ethereum's gonna die. You realise that, like, legitimately, the minute you tried making that transaction on a different network, Ethereum's like, oh, you got some fees in the way of that, mate. Are you sure you want to do that? No, I'm not sure. I'm sure you need to get fucked off. And someone, 0 fees, baby. Insufficient funds now. Jesus fucking wet. What's going on here? Something's going on with me MetaMask. Anyway, we did it. We did it. We got there, and that's Flare demo beta. Go and have a play. Let us know what you think in the comments. Let us know if you have any problems in the comments. And yeah, you know the dance. Wishing health, wealth, and happiness to you and yours. Invest in yourself. Invest in the internet of value. Live long and hodl it all till you're ready to let it go. Stake it. That's evolving now. Live long and hodl it all till you're ready to let it go. Was an exit. It was a play on the exit strategy. Like, only you can tell yourself when you're going to be ready to exit. That's what basically that was. Whereas now it's kind of like live long and hodl, stake as much as you fucking can. Yeah. Get staked by 2030 and you will never be an employee again. Regardless what happens to prices. Just put enough volume in so we're getting the value out. Yeah. No Dan's Kung Fu Tube on Naked, no consent. Mr. Elrond, love you all. Tiger XRP, Rising Green. Thanks for coming in. I appreciate it. Let me just write thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks, guys. Yeah, stay tuned for DLTCon news because I'm speaking to the hotel soon, and if CoinFest goes on in April, we're going to start looking at doing another DLTCon for September, so keep an eye out for that on Eventbrite. Hopefully we'll do the tickets extremely affordable. We just really want to be breaking even if we can. It's not really about the making money at that conference, it's just getting people there and educating them if we can. So I'll do it as cheap as I possibly can, and the tickets will pay for the day. It's as simple as that. So hopefully I'll see you there if you're in the UK. If not, I don't know how hard it's going to be for you to travel, but we'll see. We'll soon find out. Enjoy the rest of your week, and yeah, I will see you on the next one. We love crypto, we love the Flare beta and demoing it, and we love you. Peace out, guys. Take care.